We're going to the mall. We encounter some accident because some people are driving so fast and it's snowing. We're stuck in traffic. Hey, take a video of the thing, the accident.
It is our first time in America. It's our first time in America.
And there's an accident.
It's our first time in America. Look, it's Dad's first time here in America. Hello. How is it in America?
I didn't know it's snowing here.
Smile. Over here, smile. Look.
Hey, you dumbhead, you keep on changing your lanes. Stupid ass.
Hey, look here, Dad. Dad, look here and smile.
Big day for New York football. We got the Jets and the Giants. Both games must win. So no matter who
Look at this guy. This guy, he's from Pennsylvania. Keep on changing lanes. Stupid ass.
You know, it's probably a bull fight.
I think his first time in New Jersey. Keep on changing lane, keep on changing since a while ago. We'll see you later. There's an accident.
It was about me.